guess that's fixed. I don't know if this is any better than what I had before. I don't recall, but there's definitely not a lot of room on this lower neck hose connection here, but I measured and I make sure it's on there. This hose does kind of hang down a little bit here, putting a little bit of torque on this, but I don't know, I don't think it's much. I know the directions say you can lift this up and kind of zip tie it to that cross brace there, the X. But I don't know if that's necessary, but I think I'm probably going to do it anyway. Just in case, I did measure the width of this, and I'm going to order a Gates hose. I think this was 1.5 wide, and then this is about 3 feet. The problem is I don't know the width of that neck that comes out of the water pump, if that is a different size. But I ordered the hose just in case this thing blows again and I want a better solution, because the way I see it, this is a point of failure and this is a point of failure, and then there's 2 more points of failure up by the water pump. But if I had one rubber hose, quality one from Gates, then I would cut the number of points of failure in half and just have 2 instead of using these adapters here. So the directions say to put both the adhesive weather stripping as well as the push-on bulb seal before you put the body on, but I've read you just want to do the adhesive backed and then put the body on to make sure that your gaps are okay for the bulb seal, or in other words, to make sure the body is not resting on what the bulb seal goes on. So that's what we're going to do. But to get the body on, I got to take the headers off again. If you're gonna get the body on, you're gonna need at least 3 people. So I found a couple of Steves.
Hi, I'm Steve, Redmond, Washington, thinking about building a Mark IV. I've been watching Amateur Hour Garage videos and drove my 2005 Celine down here to check out his build.
Well, we got the body on there. It got rained on quite a bit, but now is the moment of truth. Is this hood gonna fit on here with my LS truck intake and bracket and pulley system? We got the two Steves here to help me.
Any bets?
Well,
it's like a char.
Slam the hood a little harder.
It's like a char.
Probably not.
What do you think?
No, I think you better rework that.
Hi, man. I don't fit. Help.
Well, I knew I was gonna change the intake and bracket and pulley system anyway, so.
Yes, I mean, you don't lean in and start it.
Got a clutch safety.